Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can use this slider to scale up your text in WPF. So first I will show you the code that I have done, and then I will build it from scratch. So let's see the code. There is no code behind, simple. And in the XAML I have a slider, and in the label I have made a binding, font size binding, and binding is the element name slider. So the element name is slider and the path is value. So this is the simple technique to bind, and once it will start, you can see that you can scale up your font or resizing your font with the slider, and it is live. So let's start. I will create a new project, WPF app, and I will use temp slider binding, and I will click create. So first of all I will drag a slider, and then I will drag a label. I will resize the slider and a label. So now I have to bind, so this is the slider and this is the label. Now I will use binding. So binding will be font family or font size. It will be binding, element name is slider, and path is value. So with this simple binding you can check it is working with the binding. So let's see. So as you can see, it is working, but it is not perfect, so we have to take some setting. So first of all, let's layout this in the stack panel. So I will use stack panel, and no margin, and orientation will be vertical, and there is no margin here. Horizontal alignment will be center, and its alignment will be center. So first I will give a margin, left 0, top 20, and bottom will be 10, and a margin here also. So now I will give a background color of yellow,